Hello, the easiest way to unblock a phone number on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is by going to the phone app, and then over here you want to tap on these three dots, which might be over here or in the top right corner, and then you want to go to settings. In the settings you want to go to block numbers, and over here you should be able to find all contacts and phone numbers that you have blocked. In order to remove the phone number from the block list, you want to tap on this minus red button on the right side, or actually the sign, and that's pretty much it. In addition to that, if you have a contacts, you have the phone number saved in the contacts, then you can also open the contact. So you can press on the contact in contacts list, press this gray eye icon, and then if you tap on more, over here you should be able to unblock the phone number if it's blocked. If it's not blocked, then of course you will have block contact option instead. And the same goes if you go to recents. If you have a phone number that you have blocked that was calling you before, you can tap on the phone number, tap on this gray icon, and at the bottom you have the unblock option. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.